Hey Jake, have you ever seen the movie English Vinglish?
Oh, absolutely. It's such a heartwarming film. Devi was amazing in it. Do you have a favorite scene?
Definitely. The scene where Shashi gives her final speech in English at her niece's wedding. It's so powerful and emotional. What about you?
That's a great one. For me, it's the scene where she orders food in English at the cafe for the first time. Her confidence boost is contagious. Laughs.
Yes. And the way she practices her English in secret, it's so relatable. Have you ever had a moment like that, where you felt super proud of yourself for mastering something new?
Oh, definitely. I remember the first time I successfully fixed my own computer. I felt like a tech wizard. Laughs. How about you?
I felt that way when I first learned to cook a complicated dish without burning anything. Laughs. It's those little victories, right?
Absolutely. Speaking of little victories, remember the scene where Shashi corrects her teacher's pronunciation of entrepreneur? That was hilarious.
Yes. And she did it so politely. It's a great reminder that we all make mistakes when learning a new language.
Totally. It's all part of the process. And the classmates she meets, like the French chef and the Pakistani cab driver, they all add so much to the story.
They really do. It's like a mini United Nations in her English class. Do you think you'd enjoy a class like that?
I think so. It would be fun to meet people from different backgrounds and learn together. Plus, it would be a great way to improve my language skills.
Agreed. I loved how supportive everyone was in that class. It shows how learning can bring people together.
Yeah, and it makes me think about how important it is to support each other, especially when we're all learning something new.
Exactly. Do you remember the scene where Shashi talks about how she feels small in front of her family because she doesn't speak English well? That really hit home for me.
Yeah, that was a powerful moment. It shows how language barriers can affect self-esteem. It's a reminder to be more understanding and patient with people who are learning.
Definitely. And it also shows that it's never too late to learn something new and gain confidence. Shashi's journey is so inspiring.
It really is. Plus, it's a good reminder to never underestimate anyone. Everyone has their own strengths and abilities.
Absolutely. Well, this has been a great chat, Jake. It's always fun to talk about movies that leave an impact.
Same here, Emma. Let's do this again soon. Maybe we can pick another movie to discuss.
Sounds like a plan.
So, Emma, what other movies do you think have great scenes for learning English?
There are quite a few. The Pursuit of Happiness has some fantastic moments. Will Smith's performance is so inspiring, especially in the scenes where he's trying to better himself for his son.
Oh, absolutely. The scene where he's giving the motivational speech to his son about not letting anyone tell you that you can't do something, that's a classic.
Yes. It's a great example of how determination and hard work can pay off. Plus, the language used is very impactful and easy to understand.
Another good one is Forrest Gump. The way Tom Hanks narrates the story makes it easy to follow, and the dialogues are quite simple but meaningful.
True, and it's filled with so many life lessons. Life is like a box of chocolates, you never know what you're gonna get. That line is unforgettable.
Absolutely. And it's a great way to learn colloquial expressions in English.
Exactly. It's amazing how much you can learn from movies. They're not just for entertainment, but also a great tool for education.
Totally. Maybe next time we can have a movie night and pick a few to watch together. We could even make it a regular thing.
I'd love that. It would be fun and educational. Plus, we can discuss our favorite scenes and what we learned from them.
Deal. Let's do it. I'll bring the popcorn.
And I'll bring the notepads. Laughs.
Perfect. Looking forward to it, Emma.
Me too, Jake. See you then.